Let's start by adding 3 cups of water to a saucepan and bring it to a rolling boil. Once it starts boiling, let's add in the Falooda Sev and cook it until it softens. It's similar like cooking to any other noodles in the world. In hardly any time you will observe that the Falooda noodles or the Falooda Sev have cooked through, it has softened and can be easily broken in between your fingers. At this stage we will switch off the gas, drain the water completely and set the Falooda aside to cool. Rinse the same saucepan and add in your milk to it. In goes some sugar. I have used just a minimal amount here, but you can adjust it as to your taste. Mix this through and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, lower the flame to medium-low and then let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Do keep stirring it in between so that it does not burn from the bottom. We do this step to thicken the milk and then transfer it to another container and let it cool completely. Our next step is to soak the Sabja seeds, for which here I have taken some Sabja seeds in a ramekin. To that I am adding in some water. Mix it through and let it stand at room temperature for around 10 to 15 minutes until it soaks up all the water and swells. Finally, it's time to make some mango pulp, for which here I am adding some sugar to our mango cubes and then blend it in a blender to get this mango pulp. Adjust the sweetness according to the sweetness in the mangoes itself. Finally, we have our Falooda Sev cool down, the mango pulp, the swelled up Sabja seeds, some fresh mango cubes and the chilled milk. It's time to layer our Falooda now. Comment below and let me know if you love Falooda too. Hit like if you like this video and I'll see you soon with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, this is Sushma signing off from Spices and Flavors. Take care. Bye bye.